RYOBI 80-volt, HP, Brushless, R1, 30-inch electric riding lawnmower, assembly and start guide. Tools needed are a torque wrench with 13mm and 14mm sockets, a tire pressure gauge, and a pair of scissors. Unpacking. Cut the small zip ties securing the plastic cover and remove the plastic cover. Identify the "Open First" box and remove the contents. Using the assembly tool provided, remove the bolts securing the corner and side braces to the frame bottom, then lift the braces to remove. Cut the nylon straps securing the front and rear wheel axles to the frame. Remove and set aside all accessible packaging and wrap from unit and parts. Do not discard the packing material until you have carefully inspected and satisfactorily operated the product. Installing the seat. Place the seat assembly over the mounting brackets and align as shown. Lower the seat clip so it is secured onto the mounting bracket. Attach the seat safety interlock cable to the plug on the mower. Lower the seat. Installing the steering column. Install the upper steering shaft onto the lower steering shaft, rotating as needed to align the hole in the shaft with the bolt hole in the lower shaft. Install the bolt and nut and tighten securely. Torque to 6 foot-pounds. Insert the steering column over the shaft. Note the tabs on the bottom of the steering column that fit into the holes in the opening and make sure the steering column is securely seated. Install the steering wheel hub on the steering column. Place the steering wheel on top. Install the flat washer and flange nut. Tighten securely. Torque to 6 foot-pounds. Install the steering wheel cover by snapping it into place. Connecting the battery. Tilt the seat forward. Lift the battery cover to gain access to the compartment below. Remove the packaging containing the manuals, battery charger, spare keys, and mulch plug. Remove the red shipping cap from the battery and install the mower's quick connect plug. This plug connects the battery to the mower. Close the lid to the battery compartment and lower the seat. Checking tire pressure. Check the air pressure in all tires before use. Recommended pressure for the rear tires is 18 psi and 16 psi for the front tires. Verifying mower condition. Inspect the entire product for damaged, missing, or loose parts such as screws, nuts, bolts, caps, etc. Tighten all fasteners and caps. Driving the mower off the frame. Remove the cap, insert the start key, and turn to the on position. Raise the cutting deck to the highest setting. Release the parking brake. Using the right rear pedal, slowly reverse the mower off the frame. Charging the mower. Plug the charger into a standard 120-volt outlet. Remove the shipping cap from the charging port. Insert the charger plug into the charging port on the mower, making sure it is properly connected. Remove the charger from the mower once it is fully charged and ready for use. Testing the safety interlock system. To test the safety interlock system, position the mower on a level surface. Set the parking brake. Make sure the blade engage knob is down. Insert the start key and turn to the on position. Raise the blade engage knob to activate the blades. Briefly lift off the seat, but do not get off the mower. The blades should shut off within 5 seconds. If they don't, turn the mower off, remove the start key, and verify the safety interlock cable is connected. Operating the mower. Adjust seat to the desired position. Raise the mower deck to its highest position. Insert the start key and turn to the on position. Verify the battery charge status. Release the parking brake. Press the accelerator pedal and drive to the desired mowing location. Once to the desired location, stop the mower, turn the key to off, and set the parking brake. Lower the cutting deck to the desired position. Turn the start key to the on position and release the parking brake. Raise the blade engage knob to activate the blades and press the accelerator to mow as desired. To reverse mow, depress the brake and bring the mower to a complete stop. Push the blade engage knob down to turn the blades off. Press the reverse mode button. Raise the blade engage knob. Slowly press the reverse pedal. Reverse mow as needed. When finished, stop the mower on a flat level surface. Push the blade engage knob down to turn the blades off. Set the parking brake. Turn RMO off and turn the key to off. Have additional questions? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579 or visit ryobitools.com.